Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious baked salmon recipe. The salmon is flavored with garlic, butter, and lemon. This is a very easy and delicious way to enjoy salmon. Let's get started. We're using a whole salmon for this recipe. We're going to start by seasoning the salmon with some spices including dried thyme, salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, dried oregano, and dried basil. Add some brown sugar to the spices, then mix everything together very well. This is such a great seasoning combo for salmon. Season the salmon very well on both sides. Make sure you rub the seasoning very well into it. Also, make sure the salmon is sitting on an aluminum foil. Once the salmon is very well seasoned, we're going to put together a delicious garlic butter sauce for it. Add some Dijon or stone ground mustard into a bowl of melted butter. Next, add some minced garlic, some sweet chili sauce, add your favorite hot sauce, then we're going to squeeze in the juice of a whole lemon. Mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to pour the sauce all over the seasoned salmon. Once the salmon is covered with the sauce, crimp the edges of the aluminum foil up and make it resemble a boat, just like I've done. Make sure your oven has been heated up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the salmon into the oven to bake for 15 minutes. After the salmon has baked for 15 minutes, turn your oven to the broiler setting, then let the salmon broil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Broiling the salmon at the very last few minutes gives it a nice caramelized golden brown color. Make sure you allow it to sit for about 5 minutes before cutting through. The salmon came out very flavorful. This is such a delicious way to make salmon. The salmon came out very soft, flaky, and decadent. Every bite is melt in your mouth delicious. The salmon pairs really well with sautéed rice and some roasted vegetables on the side. I added roasted asparagus. This is such a scrumptious, balanced meal and a delicious way to enjoy salmon. If you guys would like to try this delicious salmon recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.